Forward facing with vehicle belt and tether install. Preparing for installation. Remove all of the infant inserts. Do not use them for forward facing mode. The buckle can be used in any of 3 slots. Choose the slot closest to your child. Refer to your instruction manual on how to adjust. The recline handle is located at the front of the car seat and under the pad. To adjust, pull it forward to recline the car seat. There are 2 positions to choose from. Use the recline position that gets the car seat as flush with the back of the vehicle as possible. Push down on the harness release button, then pull the harness forward to loosen and provide slack in order to move the headrest and harness position to correctly fit your child. Please refer to your instruction manual to learn more about forward-facing child fit. The final step is to loosen the tether so you have enough slack to attach it to your vehicle's anchor location. Check your vehicle owner's manual for a specific location. Now you are ready to start the installation process. Place the car seat forward-facing in the vehicle. Make the car seat flush against the vehicle seat. Position the tether through the headrest. Check your vehicle owner's manual for a specific location. Loosely attach the tether to the vehicle's tether location. Do not tighten yet. Start by pulling out the vehicle belt with the generous amount of slack. Hold the vehicle belt firmly together with one hand so the vehicle belt does not retract. Using your free hand, thread the vehicle belt through the forward-facing belt path opening. Pull it across the seat. Ensure that it is in front of the buckle as it comes out the other side. Do not twist the belt. Pull the buckle out and buckle the vehicle belt. Push down on the seat with one hand and pull up on the vehicle belt with the other hand to remove the slack. Hold the car seat at the forward-facing belt path with your weaker hand and push and pull it from side to side. It should not move more than 1 inch. The final step is to remove all the slack from the tether.